So like most power tools, right out of the box, they are not calibrated 90 or straight. So with this machine, we are going to check here, we're going to, there's a gap. So we're going to close, we're going to close that gap so that there would avoid snipe, so that the wood will go in straight to avoid snipe, and so that we will get very nice results while using this planer. And on that note, we cannot mostly blame our power tools for bad results because we did not calibrate it or tune it correctly. So yeah, take note of that. We need to calibrate and tune. If you have any questions, you can reach out to the technicians, assistants of said brand. Lotus has a very accommodating tech support, after sales support, and they will really help you with any questions you have. So to calibrate this planer, just get whatever straight edge you have. So I got here a 4 foot level and a ruler. So this is a number 10 wrench. We will just loosen the screws here, I hope. So counterclockwise turns it up, widens the gap. So we will do clockwise. See, it's going down, eliminating the gap. Okay. Now that we've let's check wash. So now that we've eliminated the gap, as you can see, it's closed. We will just turn this counterclockwise, I hope. Wait, you need to hold this. So we need 2 wrenches. There, hold that, then turn this clockwise. Tighten it up. There. Okay. Guess that's tight enough. Just wrist tight. So let's get to the other sides. Okay, so there you have it. Perfectly calibrated, flat, in and out. Yep, in and out. The back, the outside. The out feed, I did not adjust that much because it was already flat. I had to adjust the in feed, so medyo napagod ako dun. So there, so after much adjusting, it is properly and straightly. So after adjusting the screws, nuts, bolts. So there, after screwing and mixing and matching. So there, after adjusting, we are left with a very straight, calibrated in-feed and out-feed table. And that will most likely eliminate snipe because your pieces of wood are going in and out on a straight platform. So this took me about 10 minutes because I was trying things around. Maybe you could do this 5 minutes. It's not much of a hassle and it will produce you good and quality products. So, yep. See you in the next one. Bye.